Do you ever wonder if healing from emotional wounds is really possible? Can someone really heal from trauma, rejection, depression, or a broken heart? Perhaps you feel stuck, like you have tried everything and it has not helped. Or perhaps you feel like you are too old or it's too late for you to change. It's natural to have doubts, to wonder if emotional healing is really possible. I want to assure you that emotional healing is possible. As a healer, I see people make remarkable recoveries, becoming more healthy, happy, and more fully themselves, often in ways they never even imagined. A harsh fact here is not everyone returns to same emotional health. Some people continue to experience deep emotional pain, repeat unhealthy behaviors and relationships, and struggle with negative or distorted thoughts. Based on my experience of healing more than 1,000 people now, I'm sharing some reflections and tips that will help you heal. Take baby steps. Set realistic goals or expectations. Because trying to make too many changes all at once can backfire. You may make small, manageable, or incremental changes that create feeling of success, hope, and encouragement. For example, you may take out 45 minutes of time to pamper yourself in the lap of nature. Remember, there is nothing 100% in life. Many people mistakenly believe that emotional healing is all or nothing. But the fact is, emotional healing is about training your subconscious mind to pay gratitude for what you have and being contented about it. Be patient and persistent. One needs to be patient and allow for the time needed to get the new insights and skills. You will get the answers at the right time. Till then, be mindful and enjoy the ride. View setbacks as part of the process and also learning opportunities. Not only are setbacks normal, but also are often. So one must learn more from what does not work than what does. Be willing to process your feelings about the past. Because the moment you let go of the bad or harsh memories of your mind becomes a better place for creation of positive thoughts. And then you stop creating the same life that you had been living so far and start embarking on a new and pleasant journey of future.